Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix screen resolution issue or problem on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button and then click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on system. You'll find display, click on that. For the scale and for the display resolution, click on this drop-down arrow and you just have to simply choose as to what scale will work for you. So simply choose from the list. You can try on that one by one. Display resolution, click on this drop-down arrow and simply choose as to what will work for you. If you need to try on each one as to what will work for you. So if you're having an error with the first option, choose the second one. You just need to click on keep changes. And if this is not working, click on revert and then just simply choose for the list right here as to what display resolution will work for you. And then scroll down and you will find advanced display. Click on that. Here you will find choose a refresh rate. Click on this drop down arrow and for the refresh rate, try one by one as to what is suitable for you Windows. If the first one worked for you, then good, but if not, try the second one. So you just need to try one by one as to what will work for you. Then close this. Right click at the start button and select device manager. Now here we can find our device manager, locate the display adapters. So we need to make sure our graphics card driver is updated. So what you can do is you just need to make a right click on it, select update driver, search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Close this. You can also update it manually. If the automatic update didn't work, right click on it, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer. And here you just need to simply choose one by one as to what will work for you and click on next. And after that, Windows will successfully update your drivers. And then you just need to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows and try to see if that helped you fix the issue. Then, for the next method, go back to the same device manager window. Again, you need to locate your display adapters to easily find your graphics card driver. So the display adapters that is containing your graphics card driver. Now make a right click and then select uninstall device and then click on uninstall. Do not check this box, just simply click on uninstall. Now once you uninstall it, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. After restarting, that will automatically reinstall the driver into your Windows and your problem will be fixed. Now if in some cases that after updating the driver, you are facing the issue, then go back to the same device manager window. Right-click on your graphics card, select Properties, click on the Driver tab, and simply click on the rollback driver if this option is available in your case. And you just need to simply follow the process on how you can roll back the driver. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.